Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we offer you an irresistible recipe, blueberry tart. With its perfect blend of sweetness and acidity, this tart will melt in your mouth with every bite. Whether you're a novice baker or an expert, this quick recipe is perfect for you. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this fruity delight. In this video, we will guide you step by step to make a delicious and easy blueberry tart. Here's what you will discover. Required ingredients: fresh or frozen blueberries, short crust pastry, homemade or ready-made, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, butter, for a perfect crisp. Pastry preparation: how to roll out the pastry and place it in the mold, tips to prevent the pastry from shrinking during baking. Filling preparation: mixing blueberries with sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice for a balanced taste, the importance of letting the blueberries macerate to release their flavors. Baking: ideal time and temperature for a golden crust and juicy blueberries, tips to check for perfect doneness. Presentation and tasting: presentation ideas to impress your guests, how to serve with whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Key points to remember: speed: this tart can be prepared in less than an hour. Simple ingredients: everyone can easily find the ingredients. Customization: add spices like cinnamon or lemon zest for a unique taste. Benefits of watching this video: learn simple and effective pastry techniques. Discover tips for successful desserts every time. Get inspired to make other recipes with seasonal fruits. Call to action: if you enjoyed this blueberry tart recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and share your creations in the comments. We love to see your versions of our dishes. Share this video with your friends and leave us a note about your favorite flavors. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Thank you for joining us in this culinary experience.